Hello, this is Zach with Computer SOS Inc. Today I want to take some time and familiarize you with our innovative solution, CP Commerce. Now, CP Commerce is an integration that connects NCR CounterPoint retail application for brick and mortar stores to a Magento web store that is hosted and supported by the CP Commerce division of Computer SOS Inc. Now, this means that CP Commerce will synchronize item, customer, sales, and other data between your brick and mortar store and your web store, which will completely circumvent the need for double bookkeeping required with non-integrated e-commerce solutions. Now, to put that into perspective for you, let's imagine you have a website and a brick and mortar store and you don't have an integration between the two. Now, you would need to manually create every item that you wanted to sell online that you already have created in your brick and mortar store. Now, not only that, but moving forward, every time you added a new product to your brick and mortar store and online page, you would actually have to add that to both systems for your brick and mortar store and your online page. Now, if that wasn't redundant enough, every time you sell an item, the inventory quantities between your online store and your brick and mortar store are not going to be linked, so you'll have to manually update your online inventory every time you have a physical store sale. Also, you'll need to update your physical store quantities every time you have an online sale. So as you can see from that, there would be potentially hours every single day of day-to-day maintenance to make sure that all of your data on both systems was accurate. With CP Commerce, those daily tasks are handled completely with automation, bringing your retail environment up to the latest industry standards with minimum daily intervention. Now that means that you get to save time to focus on what really matters for growing your business. Now, for example, when a sale is placed on the Magento site, the sales data is synced down to your brick and mortar store where you can print picking and packing slips to prepare the order to ship. Once you have finished packing the order, you can release the order in the touchscreen of CounterPoint. Now, releasing the order in the touchscreen of CounterPoint processes the payment of the web order and updates your CounterPoint inventory quantities and then syncs the order information back to the Magento site. When the order's data is synced up to the website, it marks the order is complete in Magento. Now this updates your order quantities for your online store to match the updated quantities of your brick and mortar location.